This is the president.
Mr. President, we have a situation.
He was trained to kill.
CIA, FBI, DEA all roll up into one.
Then left for dead.
I know what they did to your family.
And now he's back
Machete.
for his most dangerous mission yet.
We need you, Machete. There's a revolutionary south of the border. He's got a missile aimed at Washington.
Noah had his arc. I got mine.
Machete, go kick some ass.
I'll be your handler.
Ready for this? Good for calls, texts, tweets.
Machete don't tweet.
The enemy may have a missile, but we have Machete.
Machete kills. That's what he does.
You can't beat my army of super soldiers.
Bring me my double D's.
Put her up, lover boy!
You've seen my face.
Muy bien indeed. I smell fish taco. Let's do this.
You can't beat me. Because I know your every move. Nobody knows Machete.
Machete Kills.
Damn, you're good.